The Spot Electricity Controller 63A is a three-phase electricity price controller. It automatically switches electricity on when prices are cheap and off when electricity is expensive. When installing the device, you must first switch off the power from the circuit breaker or the fuse. Connect the neutral cable to the N terminal. Also connect the phase cables L1, L2, and L3 as the input for the device. Lastly, connect your load to the output terminals of the device. You can take the neutral line from the device itself or from the neutral bar. Once the cables are connected and you have tightened the screws, you can turn on the power from the circuit breaker. As you turn on the breaker, you notice the Wi-Fi LED starts to blink slowly, indicating that the device is in configuration mode. Now, take your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot named Powerant 63A. Your phone should automatically open the configuration window. In this window, you will log into your home's Wi-Fi network. In case the configuration window does not open, go to 192.168.4.1 in your browser to open the configuration menu. Next, you will log into your account. If you do not have a Powerant account, this window will generate an account for you. After successfully logging in, it's time to give your device a name. To use the device, you must also input the product key that is attached to this device. After successfully connecting, you can close the configuration menu. Now you can open up the browser and go to Powerant.app to control the device. You will be presented with a login window for the first time you log in. Use the same email and password that you set earlier when configuring the device. Now click on the device name to control it. You have the option to set the number of cheapest active hours. The app will show you when the power is on and when it will be off. You can also look at the previous and the next day to see what the prices are and the schedule of activity. You can completely turn off the device by setting the cheapest hours to 0. Additionally, you can also set the price trigger value. This will make the device turn on when prices are below a certain trigger value. In this example, we've set the trigger value at 1.65 cents. You should select the country or area to fetch the right electricity prices for your device. Powerant supports all European countries and areas where spot electricity price contracts are available. Lastly, we have the device mode, where you have the ability to turn the device action reverse. This means that your device will be on when electricity is expensive. Now, let's set it back to normal and exit the app. If you ever need to reset the device, you can do it by pressing the power button for 3 seconds. The device has now returned to the configuration mode. If you need additional assistance or more information, go to our website at powerant.net and reach out to us. We're happy to help.